Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to translate an entire document inside Microsoft Word without the use of a Google Translator. It is fast, accurate, and super convenient. Without taking much of your time, let's dive in.
First thing first is to highlight on what you want to on your document. Then you go to Home, under the ribbon, go to Review, and come down to where you see Language, and you click on the Translate options. There are two options here when translated. Let's check out the first one. This is the first option. The first option is to give you where you can view what you want, what you just translated. This is the story here, translated to English. You can choose the language you want to translate it to too. And then the second option here, translate to documents. Click here, it will open a new page. It will open a new page. Voila! As you can see, easy, no stress.
And that's it. The document is now fully translated, all within the Microsoft Word application. No extra tools, no switching of tab. All it takes is just an inbuilt features. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.